Hi, my name is Dr. Jason Hammond, orthopedic surgeon. This is a brace that I helped design. Some of the major features that are with this brace is we have a pocket on the inside, and this pocket can be helpful because we put this lumbar pad inside. The lumbar pad is used to give you some extra support in the lower back area. Also, what comes with this brace is a hot and cold pack. So this pack can be placed into the freezer, or it can be placed into the microwave, so you can have heat or you can have cold. And so this can be placed into the pocket as well, and that can also, it can not only give you some extra support, but it can soothe and chill out or warm up the area that can be hurting. So you basically put this on just like a belt. You bring it around and you attach it with Velcro. The first strap goes on like so. And now you have two additional straps, and these two additional straps can help give you that extra little compression. And so you put one down and then place the other down. And it is very simple, just like that. I can feel that support around the waist, and I can feel how the support from that ice pack gives you that push in the lumbar region, and it improves your posture as well. So turn around, you can see where it should be aligned, and there you have it. This is the Air Supports lumbar brace.